Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji. And per your request, we have a smooth and quiet and quick sunrise yoga for you. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Okay, my friends, let's begin standing tall at the top of the mat. Bring the feet together and squeeze the legs. Really stand up nice and tall here, and when you're ready, draw your hands to your heart, close your eyes, and we're going to just start with some soft, easy movement. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. On an inhale, squeeze and lift the shoulders to your ears. Exhale, let it go. Elbows draw down. Inhale, squeeze and lift shoulders to ears. Exhale, relax. One more. Inhale, really press into the feet as you squeeze shoulders up to the ears. And then exhale, relax the shoulder blades down the back body. Lift your sternum to your thumbs. Beautiful. Here we go, moving with the breath, nice and slow. Release the arms down, nice big good morning stretch. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, let your shoulder blades slide down the back body again, and you're gonna grab your left wrist with your right arm. Inhale to lift up. And exhale, just nice and easy here to start, over towards the right. Inhale to lift up, switch, grab your right wrist, and exhale, nice and easy, over to the left. Beautiful, inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus arms, you're gonna lift the chest. Inhale to reach up. Exhale as if you're pulling a bar down here. Good, and one more with your breath. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, palms come together up and overhead. And on your breath out, send it all the way down. Now from here, forward fold, bring the feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. Bend your knees, let your head hang over loose. No holding or gripping in the shoulders or the neck. And you're just going to start to sway. Soft and easy movement. Waking up through the glutes, pressing into all four corners of the feet. If you want to clasp opposite elbow here, you can. Now start to breathe a little deeper, more fully, letting the blood rush to your head here. Again, staying nice and grounded through all four corners of the feet. Awesome, then come back to center, release your arms, and you're gonna walk your feet in either together, flush, together, arch to arch, or hip width apart, so yogi's choice. When you get there, dig into your heels and inhale, halfway lift, find a nice flat back. Exhale, soften and fold. Bend your knees generously, belly comes to the tops of the thighs, tuck the chin into the chest and roll it up. And then stack up through the spine here, and when you stand up nice and tall, go ahead and reach the fingertips to interlace behind you. Draw the knuckles down and away, and then close your eyes and observe the breath here. The beautiful, beautiful part about practicing first thing in the day is embracing the quiet. And if it's not quiet near you, don't fret. Find that inner quiet best you can. It's all good. Take one more breath. Lift up through the chest, the heart. Dig into the heels. And then exhale, bend your knees. Keep the fingertips interlaced as you slowly come forward all the way back to your fold. Knuckles reach up towards the sky first and then overhead gently as you bend your knees. Again, creating a little inversion here. Take a deep breath in, bend your knees even more, and then exhale, slow and with control, release the arms. Inhale, halfway lift, your version. Exhale, fold. Plant the palms from here, step the right foot back, then the left foot back, and lower all the way onto your belly. Press into the tops of the feet, send the fingertips to your left and right off your yoga mat. Then wrap the shoulder blades around and inhale, peel up, tuck the chin, lift up, cobra variation. Exhale, cascade it down. Once you have the hang of it, soften your gaze, close your eyes, and keep moving with your breath. Finding little waves, keeping pubic bone pressing down to the earth, tops of the feet pressing down. Slowly finding more spaciousness in the spine, the back body, the front body. If this variation doesn't work for you, you can work in a baby cobra here. Catch a wave with your breath. And then the next time you exhale, draw your hands underneath the shoulders, curl the toes under, press up into your power. Nice and easy though, strong plank. Soften through the face, take a deep breath in, and exhale to downward facing dog. Take a moment or two here to really stretch. Find your breath and then sync up the breath in the body, pedaling out through the legs, the feet. And on your next inhale, gently lift your right thigh to the sky, and then exhale, soft and easy, step it all the way up. Pivot on the back foot and roll up to warrior one. Take a big inhale, look up, reach up, and then exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest. Inhale, look up, reach up. And then exhale, swim the fingertips around behind to interlace. Once again, draw the knuckles down and away here, open through the chest. Inhale. Exhale, press into your back heel, send your heart forward. Belly's just gonna hover right over the thigh. Long, beautiful neck here. Breathe deep, careful not gripping in the jaw or gripping in the toes. Good, break free here. Release the fingertips down to come up. Big inhale, catch a wave, warrior one. And then exhale to release. Plant the palms, pivot on the back foot, step the right toes back. You can move through a little vinyasa here or go straight to your downward dog. From downward dog, take a nice cleansing breath in through the nose. And then release out through the mouth. On your next inhale, lift the left thigh high. Soft and easy, slowly sweep it up and through. Find your lunge, then pivot on the back foot, and slowly roll up, warrior one. Good morning. Inhale, reach the fingertips up high, strong back leg. And then on an exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest. Inhale, connect to your core. Exhale, release fingertips behind. Opposite thumb on top this time. Great, then press into that back foot firmly. Knuckles draw down and away as you inhale, lift the chest. And then exhale, draw your navel in, connect to your center as you bring the heart forward. Let your rib cage hover just over that left thigh bone. Pull the left thigh bone into socket here. Press into the outer edge of the back foot. Inhale in, exhale, release, break free, sweep the arms all the way up and overhead, catch a wave here, big breath, big stretch, and then exhale to release, all the way down. Pivot on the back foot, plant the palms, and come into your plank. Again, straight to down dog, or take a little vinyasa, moving with your breath. Keep it soft and easy. We'll meet in downward facing dog. In down dog, inhale, lots of love in, close your eyes, and exhale, lots of love out. Again, big, 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 big breath, inhale, and empty it out. Great, inhale to bend the knees, look forward. Exhale to make your way to the top, just step it up. Release the weight of the head, and then inhale, halfway lift, your version. Exhale to soften and fold. Inhale, root to rise. Sweep the arms all the way up and overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Now slowly turn to step wide on your mat. When you get there, get your center really underneath you. Imagine you have two lights on your hip points shining up towards the sky. Then turn the two big toes in, press into the knife edge of your feet here, draw up through the arches, and hands will come together in prayer. Close your eyes, get really strong through your legs, ground. Maybe set a little intention for your day. And slowly release the fingertips down. Take a deep breath in. Take up space here. Inhale, reach for the sky. Palms kiss overhead. Exhale, down they go. Moving with your breath. You can close your eyes here or send your gaze down. Inhale. Exhale. Strong legs drawing up through the arches. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale. Inhale, maybe looking up this time. And exhale, maybe looking down. One more time. And then inhale, send the fingertips out left to right. Then you can stay here if you need a little more stability. Bring the hands to the waistline. If you're here, pull the pinkies back, open up through the chest. Inhale, exhale, connect to your center as you slowly send the hips back, chest forward. Beautiful. Halfway here, flat back. Again, hands can come to the waistline at any time. Inhale, exhale, release all the way down, standing wide-legged forward fold. Hands can come here right underneath the shoulders. Maybe you feel like taking a twist today. Or, in time, we'll slowly walk the hands in line with the arches of the feet. And then maybe in time, slowly bring the crown of the head to the ground. If you are working in this variation, make sure your elbows are square and in line with your shoulders. We're going to be here for a couple breaths just to allow everyone a chance to get into a variation that feels good. And then you're going to bring the breath. You got it. If inversion, if a headstand's in your practice and you're solid, you can go into that. Breathing deep, but only if you have your foundations in that posture. Good, and then slowly making our way back out, nice and mindful, setting the tone for our day. We'll slowly, mindfully engage through our foundation. Lift up from the arches, hands come to the waistline or to that Texas T. Strong back, strong core, slowly we rise. And then everyone bring the hands back to the heart. Great. You can heel toe the feet together here. Slowly walk them together. Or maybe bend the knees and jump. Mountain pose. Take a second here to really feel your feet underneath you. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Inhale. Reach the fingertips up towards the sky. And then exhale, you can bend it. Actually, you can stay wherever you are on the mat here. You're going to bend the knees and you're going to slowly come into a little ball, little pod. So how you negotiate getting there is entirely up to you. And we're going to stretch through the feet. We're going to come into a little pod, a little ball, and round the chin to the chest, nose towards the knee. Listen to the sound of your breath. Nice. Then drop the heels, slowly tuck the chin to the chest and roll it up. Beautiful. Inhale in, reach for the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Close your eyes. Take one more quiet, peaceful moment for yourself. Way to kick off the day mindfully, sweetly, lovingly. Take one final breath in through your nose. And together we'll exhale, bowing head to heart. Have an awesome day. Be yourself. Be kind to yourself. And then treat others the same way.